Here's your honest read on the Squamish market for June 2026. No sales pitch, just the numbers.
And what are we actually seeing on the ground? I'm Simon Hudson.
And I'm Chloe with Team Hudson Real Estate.
Let's start with detached homes here in Squamish. The benchmark price right now is $1,705,300. That's actually up 1.6% from a year ago, though it dipped slightly, down 2.9% from last month. Still pretty good.
And sale prices are way up. 23 detached homes sold in Squamish last month, compared to 16 the year before. That's 43.8% jump. The median selling price came in at $1,400,000. Townhomes. The benchmark price is $1,005,600, down 2.7% year over year.
Sales actually came in strong as well. 23 properties sold, up from 16 last June. Another 43.8% increase. Median selling price was $992,500, and this is pretty impressive numbers. In fact, condos, the benchmark price of $545,200 was down 12% from a year ago, and this is because there's a huge amount of inventory out there. And it actually ticked up 7.7% from last month. But that's because there were a huge number of sales.
Sales told a different story here. Only 9 condos sold in Squamish in June, down from 18 the year earlier. That's a 50% drop. Here's what we're actually watching. It's a mixed picture in Squamish right now. Detached and townhomes sales both jumped more than 40% from last year, but condo sales got cut in half.
New listings also went the opposite direction from the rest of the region, like including areas of Horseshoe Bay and Vancouver, where inventory has been slowing down. Squamish actually saw new listings rise across the board. Although this is not uncommon when new listings rise in Vancouver, we usually see them come up here within the next few months. And we're up around 16% from last year. And what that essentially means is that there's more properties coming to the market and less buyers buying. Now, absolutely on the ground, we did actually see a fair number of sales just happen in the beginning of July, and that's when we're actually recording this. So I think you're going to see the numbers tick up in July, but stay tuned and we'll keep you posted on that. So that's the honest snapshot for June right here in Squamish. And as I said, as we tick into July, there's some interesting things, interesting dynamics in the market happening with prices actually, well, not prices. I guess sometimes when I say these things and I listen to myself, I've got to laugh a little bit. But anyways, what we're seeing is actual sales happening. And that was kind of anticipated, but what's going to be interesting to see is what the final sale numbers on some of those properties are. Is it sellers actually agreeing to pay the price, or is it buyers deciding they need to buy before the fall market and they want to get into something before the winter? So we'll figure that out in the next couple of months, but for now, that's where we're sitting. We'll be back next month with the update.
If you want to know what any of this means for your specific property or your buying plans, reach out. Link and number on the screen.